कश्मीर भारत का वो हिस्सा जिसकी खूबसूरती सिर्फ उसके मंजरों में नहीं बल्कि उन कहानियों में बसती है जो हर मुसाफिर अपने साथ ले जाता है। हम पिछले कुछ दिन श्रीनगर में थे, लेकिन हमारी असली कहानी शुरू होती है उस सुबह जब हम गुलमर्ग के लिए निकले। और फिर हर सफ़र में एक लम्हा आता है जो उस सफ़र को हमेशा के लिए यादगार बना देता है, और हमारे सफ़र में वो लम्हा गुलमर्ग था।
Hi everybody. So this is our final day at Orchard Retreat in Srinagar. We stayed here for a couple of days. We did a day trip to Pahalgaon. Today we'll be going to Gulmarg. We are there for 4-5 days I think in Gulmarg. So let's see how it goes. The stay was great. It is on the outskirts of Srinagar, I would say, not too close to Dal Lake, but we quite enjoyed our stay and it was quite comfortable here, and the people are quite sweet. So if you're looking for a stay in Srinagar, you can definitely consider this. So we got one of these cottages and it was quite good actually. The lawns are quite nice here, and we had the badminton court as well. There was a wellness retreat center, and I think the concept here is of cottages, wooden cottages. Checking out, so excited for Gulmarg. We'll take you along and see how the views turn out to be. I think it's gonna take a couple of hours to reach from Srinagar. So this is our first view of Gulmarg. It is so beautiful, so beautiful.
I'm stuck in a prison of doubt, in this torsion.
Got here in Gulmarg. It is so beautiful. You must have seen those clips. It is so good. The first look of this particular town. Oh my god. Now we've just entered our resort. We're staying here. Let me show you. We're staying here, Haven Retreat. This is how it looks like. Oh god. This really must be heaven. Right, let's go together, have a look at this. Can't believe this is going to be our stay for next 3 to 4 days. Oh my god, pictures really don't do justice. This is what I've learned coming here in Kashmir. Hi everybody, it's a beautiful morning in Gulmarg. It's about 7:30 in the morning. We had a bit of an early start because we have an exciting day ahead. We'll be hitting the gondola phase 1 and phase 2, very famous here in Gulmarg. Right here at the gondola point. This is the gondola point. It's giving a lot of Grindelwald feels. Everyone is ready for skiing. We're inside the gondola waiting line. We reached, very early actually, but still the line looks crazy. I don't know if you can see behind. This is for phase 1. We have a guide with us, Mr. Shabir, and he's helping us skip the line, I feel. Not sure. Show you the line how it looks. And it is just 9:15 a.m. in the morning.
and everything is gone uptight.
आगे थे वो।
Fall into the ocean.
We're about to reach phase 1. We've reached phase 1, but we'll go to phase 2 first because the weather conditions there can go extreme. So it's better to do it during daylight and when the sky is clear. Alright, so we're on our way to phase 2. नज़ारे तो बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है, बहुत ज़्यादा. So right there is phase 1 and phase 1 में maximum activities होती हैं, winter sports and all of those things. I've done couple of gondola rides in Switzerland and trust me when I say this, it is just beautiful. It is just beautiful. Gulmarg, oh my god. The real beauty I think you can see when you travel to phase 1 and phase 2. It is so breathtaking and हमें सच में स्विट्जरलैंड की याद आती है यहाँ पे.
Sun is falling.
Guys, I'm reporting directly from heaven. It is so beautiful. There are no words. Not sure if the camera can do justice, but I'm just going to put few clips of what I'm witnessing right now.
Sun is falling, speed in the black. Nobody driving, we're in the back to the end of the world.
So Sachin is a mountain person. For him, I think it is complete heaven.
Tides will rise, tides will fall with the gravity of you. To the
We shot some cute videos following some Instagram trends. This is the first time that we're doing something like this. So we'll keep some videos here. It was just for fun actually. But मज़ा आया, बहुत मज़ा आया. Now we're going back to phase 1. वहाँ पे और activities हैं वो करेंगे.
to the end of the world.
Okay.
Your favorite part about phase 2?
Obviously the view, the trek which we did, small one,
Yeah.
but it was wonderful.
Yes, yes. It is fully secure because you have army men all over the peak. They're posted there, imagine at such great heights. So they always take care of you and they always guide you that, you know, what is the threshold beyond which you shouldn't go. So I think it is incredible. Nature is amazing, but you have to also be very, very responsible.
Phase 2 is highly recommended. Highly recommended.
Yes, yes, yes. Be safe, but enjoy to the fullest. See you in phase 1. We're getting ready for skiing. First time. मैं नहीं गिरी और ये गिर गया.
खुद ही पीछे छोड़ा. इसका वीडियो हमने शूट मुझे गिरना था. ये बाद में बोलेंगे हम नहीं गिरे थे. ये इंटेंशन हमारे पास.
Deck in her hand, Hurricane lives on the land. The gravity of you, the gravity of you.
This is the second activity we are doing, snowmobile.
पीछे बैठना ना भाई।
Now I'm behind Sachi. क्या मजे। मजा आ गया, मजा। वो देखो क्या कर रहे हैं रील बनाने के चक्कर में। स्नोमोबाइल से हम ऊपर पहुंच गए हैं। दिस इज लाइक अ क्यूट मैगी पॉइंट। अब आराम से मैगी खाएंगे। Now some kava and coffee. Okay, what a fun day so far, and all thanks to this man right here,
शब्बीर भाई।
जिन्होंने पूरा हमारा प्लान करा और सब कुछ स्मूथली हमारे साथ रहे। एंड थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
आपका नंबर हम छोड़ देंगे, अगर ये वीडियो पोस्ट होगी तो ये आपका नंबर हम छोड़ देंगे। सो
और गुलमर्ग आइए और शब्बीर भाई को कॉल कीजिए और
Yes.
बाकी आप बेफिक्र हो जाइए।
you must have seen the video when we came, and look at the time. It is around 1:30 right now. We are done with both the phases, and look at the queue. It is unreal. I think you best should avoid it. You come early in the morning. 9 a.m. is the best time to hit the gondolas. Going on Gulmarg tour via ATV. Sachin, I don't know if you can see Sachin. Amazing, so beautiful, so beautiful. But everybody is saying that the snowfall this year has been really less. Gulmarg is so much beyond just the gondola ride. How beautiful are these landscapes?
Many suns we don't know. A supernova tells us when we have to go.
I'm recording it, the proof that Vito is driving ATV on Gulmarg Hills at I think 11,000 feet above sea level. So this experience is unmatchable. Look at the view.
On our last final day of Gulmarg, it finally snowed. We woke up at 5 a.m. to witness this. It's snowing. It's snowing. a.m. in the morning. Sun is out. Day 4 in Gulmarg, and you have to look at the view. We're going on a short trek. We'll be taking this path right here. Oh god, this is Winter Wonderland, and this is right outside our hotel. So this isn't gondola, this isn't phase 1, this isn't phase 2. This is pure Gulmarg right now. How is the trek?
This is something else.
Yes.
This is something else. I don't know where exactly we are,
Yeah.
but look at this beauty. Can't be captured.
Yeah, it can't be captured. We've been walking for good 1 hour now. We've taken roads not taken and the main roads also. क्या नज़ारे हैं, क्या बात है. और इन नज़ारों के बीच ये स्की स्कूल है. Very famous ski school. Ski school. Ski school. This is a tongue twister. We're at Strawberry Valley. We had covered this yesterday via ATV. कल स्नो नहीं गिरी थी और आज स्नोफॉल के बाद नज़ारे पूरी तरह बदल गए हैं. Oh my God, this is so good. We're on our way back to Srinagar. Gulmarg trip was just so amazing. We don't feel like leaving, but we're excited for what is in store for the day. We'll be looking at the houseboat.
Houseboat, yes. It's our houseboat stay.
Stuff is picked up for the houseboat. We're in Shikara right now. To reach the houseboat, we have to take a Shikara.
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing.